MIUi 11 is almost here for the official release in upcoming days, followed by the Redmi Note 8 Pro launch event in India. The global ROM of MIUi 11 will be released on October 16th for innumerous devices. As of now, the stable update of MIUi 11 was only released for the phones in China. When it comes to Poco F1, many users are speculating about MIUi 11, will it be released or not? So for those who are using Poco F1, get ready to taste a stable port of MIUi 11 made by MIUi Portal team. I know the global ROM of MIUi 11 will be released in upcoming days, and for those who can't resist that longer and wanted to get the first bite of MIUi 11 on the Poco F1, this video is exclusively made for them. Anyhow, in this video I will talk about a MIUi 11 port for Poco F1 made by some Russian developers, and guess what, it actually works like a stable ROM. Everything works fine. I have been using this ROM for almost 2 days now, and I thought to share with you guys about this port of MIUi 11. Now let me go into settings and show you the version which I'm running. As you can see, it says MIUi 11 beta 9.9.27, which is still based on Android Pie. Keep in mind, when the official global ROM releases for Poco F1, it will be based on Android 10. Now the MIUi 11 aims to bring a new features and improvements to your device which may enhance overall user experience in terms of performance, security, and reliability. MIUi 11 comes with a default system launcher, which is actually super cool. In the previous video, for some reason I didn't show the stock launcher, and you guys were kept asking about this launcher, so here we go. This launcher is so clean and beautiful, which offers a lot of features and improvements. I really like the animation which you would get after unlocking the phone. I mean, just look at this cool animation. All the icons will fly all the way from the bottom and bounces it back to their original position, which is fantastic. Now when it comes to grouping applications, it is much easier than ever before. With MIUi 11 system launcher, you can simply tap on the applications or games you want to make a new group, and then click on the group icon at the top left, and that's it. It's so easy to group the applications and games with a few taps. Also, you can see an app logo animation whenever you jump to home screen. For example, I'm inside settings application. Now if I jump back to home screen, you can see the settings gear icon shows the spinning animation, and it goes same with some of the system applications, which I personally like this kind of approach. Apart of that, I really don't want to bother you guys talking about all features of MIUi 11 which you would get on your phone. For that matter, I already made a dedicated video about top features of MIUi 11. You just go ahead and watch that video by clicking on the card from here. With that being said, let's dive into the performance. Guys, I would like to say, even though this ROM is a ported version of MIUi 11 which is inherited from Chinese devices, but still it runs like a charm. I feel like I'm already running the MIUi 11 global ROM on my Poco F1. This ROM is actually super fast. After installing this ROM, I have noticed the touch latency issues are gone. It responds to my touch events without any lag. We know that Poco F1 is having a touch issues when it comes to MIUi 11. You may expect to see an improved touch latency, which would fix the touch issues, and your phone responds to your touches instantly. Now from launching applications to games, everything is super speedy. I haven't noticed any stuttering or lag or any frame drops while playing big games. I have played Call of Duty on this ROM, and it actually runs super smooth without any issues. Now talking about the battery life, I would surely say MIUi 11 will give you a much better battery life when you get compared to MIUi 10. As of now, in this ROM, I'm getting like 6+ hours of SOT. Again, I really don't want to comment much about the battery life of MIUi 11 until the global ROM rolls out for Poco F1. Anyway guys, if you want to install this early port of MIUi 11 on your Poco F1, you can check out our new website from the link in the description box down below, where you will find a step-by-step guide tutorials. If you don't want to take a risk, well, you should wait for 4 more days to get official build of MIUi 11, which was confirmed by Poco's spokesperson. Lastly, many of you guys are asking me in the comments, should I update to MIUi 11? Well, my answer would be why not? It is a much better update than MIUi 10. You should definitely upgrade your device to MIUi 11 without any hesitation. That's it guys. Again, check our website, links in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. This is your host KSK Royal. Peace out.